Prepare, then. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster. Now let's go get that Coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is! After that train! Light engineer, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo breed! Left pilot, brakes! Oh, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the Coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe some Apollo pilots. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center.
On the way! On the way! On the way!
It's harder than it looks. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming now! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of Coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. R5, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That... Okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is up. Oh, looks like we're ready to unload.